Guys, hello, welcome back. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you my views on the KLAIR'S vitamin C freshly juiced vitamin drops. So these are just your basic vitamin C drops, and vitamin C is really good for people with acne, scarring and hyperpigmentation. And I know this for a fact because I've seen a lot of women and we all have discoloration around our mouth. So you have these dark patches around your mouth, and I guess you kind of start getting them in your late teens, and some people also start getting dark pigmentation on their forehead. And I just want to say that I have been testing this for a very long time, and yeah, I cannot wait to tell you what are my thoughts on this. I mean, is it good or is it not? Okay, so I'll attach a clip in this video where I first started using the serum. It was in late February if I'm not wrong, and I was supposed to do a 1-month check-in. So I was supposed to check in March and tell you the difference, and so that you can also see the difference on my skin by yourself and judge it for yourself. But so the pandemic happened in March, and yeah, I wanted to start posting videos in Feb itself, but I was busy with my exams and all that sort of thing. So I got done with it just in March, and I was so excited that, oh my god, I'll start posting and I cannot wait for this. Because yeah, I did not tell anyone this yet, I guess, but I wanted to do this since I was 16 and I'm 23 now, so it was a long time coming. But yeah, so in that video I even said that I'll show you how my skin looks in 1 month, but little did I know. Okay, so when the pandemic hit, I just felt really selfish if I posted these videos, because I mean the world was going through so much, and here I was just talking about makeup and skincare and all that sort of things. So yeah, but then on my birthday I was like, come on, I mean, just do it. Anyway, I'm getting out of topic here, right? So yeah, just see the clip for yourself. So this is how the packaging looks like. It is hollow, looks very pretty. And now let's open it up. C is actually really good for your skin, especially if you have acne scars or hyperpigmentation, which I clearly have. So as a teenager, I have always struggled with acne, and because as a part of acne, there was a lot of scarring on my face as well. So I'm hoping that these drops help me out. So this is how the packaging looks like. It's very simple, very pretty. It comes in a plastic bottle, and the gel is clear, as you can see. For any skincare, it is actually really good if you try it for about 30 days or so. Only then you can come to know if it really works and if it's really helping your skin. You cannot just expect results within a day or two after using a certain product. Well, for some skincare products like a face wash, I mean, you can clearly tell if it's working or not, and maybe even a moisturizer, you do come to know if it's good for your skin, if it's providing you enough hydration, or if it's too oily, or if it's too dry, and all of that sort. But for anything like these serums, you need to test it for at least 30 days. So that's what I will be doing here. I'll test it for 30 days, and you will come to know if it has shown any effects on my skin. Right now I have no makeup on, only a toner. I'll apply this and I'll see you after 30 days of using this. Okay, so you just saw the clip and you saw that I had a lot of red spots on my face. Those were my acne scars, and I've struggled with acne I mean since I was a teenager and up until I was 20, I guess. Of it, I mean around 17 to 19, or I don't remember the exact years, but yeah, for 2 years my acne was under control because I was going through eczema and my eczema medications were keeping my acne at bay. But then as soon as my eczema medication stopped, and yeah, because thankfully my eczema was kind of cured, so then my acne started going crazy and I got so many pimples and I really lost all my confidence. Okay, I could not leave my house without wearing a foundation or I don't know, something to cover up my skin, because I felt so bad about it. But then one day I was like, I don't want to feel this way anymore, and I started investing some money and time into skincare, and I started doing my research about what things were good and things that could potentially work, and I did find so many amazing products that have worked wonders for my skin. Okay, I mean, this is nothing. You should have seen my skin like 2 years ago. I mean, now, to be very honest, it took me a lot of courage to sit here without makeup, and I'm seriously wearing nothing on my face other than my moisturizer right now. But to be honest, this one really helped with the acne scars and the pigmentation, and I do have a pimple right here and some on my chin, but they just recently came in. But I'm sure when I keep using this at least for a few weeks, these scars will also fade away. Okay, so let me tell you how I incorporate this in my skincare routine. So I use vitamin C serums only during night, and I think you should do, or else do wear a very high SPF wala sunscreen if you want to use this in daytime as well, or else your skin will react badly with the sun, and it could really cause a lot of damage to your skin. Okay, so yeah, I don't use this during the day, just at night. So I just wash my face with any cleanser that I am enjoying at the moment, and yeah, I just put a toner on, and then I take this and apply just 3 drops all over my face, 1 on my forehead and 1 on both of my cheeks, and I just pat it in my skin, and it feels a little warm when you apply it. I mean, it not in a bad way, but yeah, it feels kind of warm when you apply it on your skin. And oh my god, I've seen so many people do this. Just don't do it. Okay, do not touch this dropper directly on your skin. Okay, so while you're dropping it, drop things from a distance, and that goes with any dropper, not just this. Okay, I see all these Instagram and these people just dragging a dropper on their skin, and oh my god, I don't know why, it just really makes me angry, because it's not sanitary. Okay, so suppose you have a pimple right here and you're touching this dropper on that pimple while dropping your product on your face, right? And then you are putting the same dropper into your product, so then the entire product is kind of contaminated and it has all the germs from that pimple. So I don't know, won't it just give you more pimples, right? So don't do it with things with drop your product from a distance. That's all I'm asking for. Okay, so after this I apply my moisturizer. I just want to say that this serum changed colors, so when you are using this, just make sure you're keeping it in a dark place, because this is vitamin C. It will react with the UV rays from the sun, and yeah, it could change the color and the formulation of your product. So when it changes color, it is not as effective, so you won't be getting those results that you did when you just first bought it. I've seen that quite a lot of vitamin C serums comes in a darker glass bottle, so that, I mean, this does not happen, but this one came in a clear bottle and a clear plastic bottle. So I don't know whose fault was it. It was mine, not theirs. But anyway, if anybody is, going to purchase this, serum, then yeah, I would totally suggest you to keep it in your cupboard or somewhere where there's dark. I have sensitive dry skin, and I did not face any irritation while using this. And yeah, I know of some people who have normal to oily skin who also really enjoy using this. It's not like a heavy oil or something, it's very lightweight, and you won't even feel that you have applied anything on your skin. Okay, so I feel anyone can use this serum. So overall, I would really recommend anyone who is struggling with acne scars, hyperpigmentation, or just spots from the sun, because that does happen if you are not wearing sunscreen, and I really need to improve on that. I mean, I do wear it sometimes, but then other times I just forget. Yeah, that was my review on this, and if you were looking for a vitamin C serum, then you can definitely check this out. I know that there are some cheaper vitamin C serums, but to be honest, I don't know, I really don't think that they would work as effectively as this one does, because vitamin C is not that cheap, to be honest. Okay, that was my review on this, and you can check this product out if you want to. I will link it in my description. This has tremendously helped me with my my acne scars and my hyperpigmentation, so I am definitely going to repurchase this one, and this time I'll store it in a dark place. So yeah, if you enjoyed watching today's video or found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing before you leave, and I'll see you with my next one. Bye.